Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all coming here today. Okay, let me introduce myself. I am Dila Gitanika from Universitas Almata. Today I will present about the world economy in the time of the COVID-19 pandemic, from impact the projected growth of 2021-2022 the COVID-19. Pandemic has had a wide impact on the global health and economic crisis throughout 2020 and this years. Governments of countries around the world are taking various mitigation and cooperation measures to suppress the spread of COVID-19 while accelerating economic recovery. This year's global economic performance is expected to grow positively in line with the economic stimulus program and accelerated vaccinations. Since being designated and COVID-19 pandemic on March 11, 2020 by the World Health Organization, the coronavirus has spread widely throughout the world. According to Worldometer's data, as of August 17, 2021, more than 200 countries in the world have been infected with COVID-19 with a total of 200 million cases and 4 million deaths. Not only having an impact on the health crisis, the COVID-19 pandemic has also caused the economies of most countries in the world to grow negatively and even enter a recession. Only a small number of countries in the world are still surviving and growing their economic in 2020, such as China, Vietnam, and Taiwan. After slumping due to mobility or regional restrictions to suppress the spread of COVID-19 in 2021, countries in the world hope to bounce back. For the reason, various policies were issued and cooperation between countries was held so that economic performance could recover and grow positively starting this year. Okay, the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the global economy. A number of international institutions predict that global economic growth in 2020 is predicted to fall deeper than its previous years. In January 2021, the IMF forecast global economic growth or minus 3.5%. Meanwhile, the World Bank in January 2029 and the OECD in December 2020 each predicted a deeper decline in global economic growth to minus 5.2% and minus 4.2%. The sluggish global economy cannot be separated from the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, which has spread to world economic and financial problems. His sudden arrival put great pressure on the supply and demand sides. The world's production chains are not only disrupted but even cut off because many countries have chosen regional countries or lockdown to contain the spread of COVID-19. Supply or production disruptions also spread to the demand side. Consumption fell significantly, investment fell drastically, and world trade or export and import was very sluggish. In terms of trade in goods, the World Trade Organization estimates the global trade will decline by minus 5 5.3%. The decline in economic activity and the limited mobility of goods and services, as well as the limited movement of the population, ultimately hit the incomes of companies and community. As a result, layoff occurs everywhere and in the world. The implementation of the mobility restriction policy to suppress the spread of COVID-19 also caused shock in both the financial market and the real sector. This is reflected in the last 5 ways. First, the level of volatility reflected in the VIX index rose to an all-time high. The VIX index describes the level of investor anxiety. Second, the movement of capital flows to safe haven assets. Capital outflows from developing countries around 100 billion US dollars. Safe havens are investments that are expected to be maintained or increase in value when the market is volatile. And safe haven is the event that investors seek to limit the risk of loss in the event of a market downturn. Third, the sharp decline in commodity price. Fourth, the manufacturing and service PMI contracted at its lowest point since the 2008 and 2009 global financial crisis or GFC. 5. The skyrocketing unemployment rate in various parts of the world has reached double digits. In the US in 2020, 22.4 million jobs were lost since the Great Depression of 1929. In Italy, unemployment stood at 12.7% and France about 10.4%. Okay, thank you for your great attention. Then thank you for your listening. Thus we have shared beneficial for all of us. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.